Hi there, my name is Ed. I'm from British Columbia, Canada. Anyway, we come down here every November and October on a motorcycle trip every year anyway. And my wife was treated by Dr. Jody last March, I believe it was, for a problem that she has, and he was quite helpful with her. Anyway, we were on our way back for a motorcycle trip, and my wife wanted to stop back for a second to ask something of Dr. Jody. I can't remember what it was. And so I was standing out in the motorhome and minding my business when Tina and my wife got chatting, as women invariably will do, and wondering why we were going home already so soon. And she mentioned that I was having surgery on my hand, I think on December the 4th. And for what for? Well, my wife didn't really know what for, but so anyway, tell Ed to come in and let's have a look at his hand. So anyway, Dr. Jody had a look at Tina had a look at my hand and kind of identified what it was. And then Dr. Jody had a quick look at it, and apparently it was called dystonia. And he had a quick look at it and suggested that possibly I shouldn't have surgery on it. So I canceled my surgery, I think a week before it was due. And I'd waited two years for the surgery, and I wasn't actually keen on getting it done anyway, because I used my hands for motorcycling and water skiing and all kinds of crap, so it was good enough for that. I didn't want to screw it up. So anyway, we were coming back in March anyway, so I canceled my surgery. We came back in March, and after just 6 treatments, I believe, he's treating my wife as well, my hand is pretty much, well, much better than it ever was. It's probably 70% better. It's totally usable, and I think that if I continue doing what he tells me to do, which I'm not very good at following orders, but regardless, I think after a period of time I'll probably have full use of my hand. It's actually remarkable already, and I think without any doubt I'll get it back to 90%, and that's without surgery. The doctors at home didn't know what caused it. Dr. Jody identified it and told me what caused it immediately. And yeah, at home the doctor said surgery is usually successful one time, but it'll come back, and it's not successful a second time. And so most doctors can't identify the problem, and they'll give you pills or whatever to deal with it, but they don't find the problem, whereas Dr. Jody seems to hone in. He can figure out what the problem is and treat the problem, and without medicine. And it's just worth a try. I've tried all kinds of crap and the different things as well, and it just works. So what do you got to lose? Nothing. I'm totally pleased I did what I did. My hand's functional, I'm happy, and he's done phenomenal things with my wife, and that's it. Toodaloo.